Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Press the button. See? That's what you press and you flush. Yeah, press the button and the toilet flushes. Water goes down there. This button. That's the button you press. And now it's quiet. Press the button again. Press the button. And the water goes down. Press the button. Press the button. Can you press the button? Press it one more time. See? Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Press the button. And then the water goes down there. Gonna press the button. No, don't eat the button. No, don't eat the button. I love you, buddy. You're doing good. It's your first lesson in mechanics. Push the button. No, don't eat it. Here, no, I'm gonna press the button. I'm gonna press. Hey, okay, don't get angry. Use your paw, not your teeth. No. I know, it's confusing to you. Okay, we're done with lesson number 1, how the toilet works. You did really good for your first lesson. You're such a good boy. You're supposed to use your paw. No, not your teeth, not your teeth. I love you. No. No. I love you. I'll step back. I know you're a big boy. You can do it on your own. Squirrel. Who's outside? Is that the mailman? Is that the mailman? Want to come see the mailman? No?